check it out, everyone. We got the Traxxas Mini Maxx and the RC track. Today we're going to see how my modified little Mini Maxx will run on a real track. We got the McCafe. Good stuff today. All right, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me in these RC vehicle adventures. Today we have little Mini Maxx here, which unfortunately has these little clipped springs. I really think I need more spring for out here, but I didn't think about it. That's why I really like threaded shocks, so you can do this on the fly. Check it out. We got some beautiful Garage Life RC additions to this. Got the wheelie bar, the side skirts, battery mount, ESC mount, because we do have a hobby wing ESC and motor, and we also have the Center Diff. So, man, let's see how the Mini's gonna do. I'm not sure if I want to run like the whole track or if I just want to focus on, because guys, I just spent the past couple days finishing up some stuff on that motorhome that we just bought. My back is toast. Oh, I really don't want to run around. Whoa. I should have TQ. See? Dang it. I knew this was going to be chasing this car. I think let's just get a feel for it. Let's just practice in a few areas and then we'll man. I'm liking it. It's actually doing well. If you were really going to race, and you don't hear me say this often, you would need a faster servo. Oh, all right, that jump is this jump is getting me. Probably not the best tires for out here. See, this is why I just want to run certain sections, because this thing is so small you lose it. Oh, sheesh. The Mini Maxx. Oh, come on. Jeez. Definitely needs a stronger servo. Oh, boy. I bet you even on 2S, this thing would. I wonder if my trim ain't. It's the problem with these traxxas transmitters. You know, it's not a digital. You got to make sure you set the trim. I bet you if I had some better tires, some pin tires or something like this, could really make this thing go around this course nice. Yeah, that's probably a real limiting factor there. Let's try this. I want to try these jumps. Ooh. Well, I guess the Mini just wants to be over this side. Man, I tell you. Wow, well, it tumbles really good. It tumbles for you. It tumbles for you, yeah. This thing does not have the best air control. And these are the softer tires. Remember, this thing comes with 2 different tires. A harder one on the front, softer in the rear, I believe it was. So I got the softer tires all the way around to have a little better air control so they would balloon more. Oh. Sure doesn't seem like that TQI is working. It's not. Oh wait, that's right. This one didn't come with TQI. This one just has a basic. Well, I'll tell you what, man. Sure could use it out here. This thing's a bit nose heavy. I'll tell you what though, on 3S, it's got plenty of friggin' power. Ooh, you would do really fine out here stock on 2S. But then I really wouldn't recommend coming out here doing all this jumping with direct drive. I would do the Center Diff. Oh, oh, I'm freaking tired too. As normal, I really didn't sleep last night, and then I had to run the RV to the dealer this morning. So I was like, hey, while I'm out and about, let me come here to the track. Have a little fun, kind of make it worth my time. Maybe it's not the best track card. It sure is a bit, no, on certain jumps it does good, but this, it's a fun RC, and I agree with people, and I've said it before. I think Traxxas really just kind of has a pricing issue. But then, you know, again, we look at stuff like, whoa, what MJX is asking for some of these Hyper Go cars. What was the 10208? They want like $250 for it, which granted, it's, you get more, you get a bigger car than with this, but it's not. Do it, Mini. Oh no, you're not gonna do it. Yeah. Some of these lower cost Amazon things that we were eating up. gotten pricey too. But now Arma went up on prices. Getting less stuff, a 2-in-1 cheap ESC that doesn't work. They're having power cutout issues, and then yeah. Hell yeah! Whoa, falling off the damn mound here. I think I found a section the Mini here likes. And as soon as I say that, yeah, I think the biggest problem with this thing is the name, traxxas. Man, you get so much hate for, you got your traxxas loyalists, and then you got people just outright hate it. So no matter what you do, like I took the power plant out of this, the 2 BLS, put it in a legendary, and I had people, thing's only fitting for a trash can. Oh. Like, man, calm down. Like, you think that 223S stuff's any freaking better? Then I forget what it was I said about it, and people are like, well, it's a beginner RC. Well, what about this? Isn't this not a beginner RC? Oh no! Yeah, let's go over here. We get a little speed. Zip in and out. I like that section. We're skipping over that. Nice. Let's see what we can do here. Really needs a gyro. Yeah. It can't put the power down out here. Ugh. I'll tell you what, man, this is a, you know, price aside, it is a cool RC. Especially if you hop it up a little bit. It is real exciting. Look at this. Will not stick with that full throttle. It will not. Oh, that's freaking cool. Oh no. Oh man. Well, all right, everyone. I don't want to make this video too long. Me just goofing around, having a little fun here with the Mini Maxx. I said I was the RV dealer's not too far. from here, and I was like, oh, let me oops, let me bring a couple cars so I can shoot some videos for you. Plus, I've been wanting to come out here. I've been wanting to take the Mini Maxx out here. Just really curious how little RC would do, and man, it's doing great, actually. You know, like I said, yeah, I know somebody's gonna, oh, you need pin time. I hear that every time. Look, I'm just running it the way it is, stock. That way, you guys buy one, you know what to expect if you come out to a track. I'm not investing tires. Basically, my 6S Typhon is my track car. That's the one I have set up for the track. So that's my true track car. And I need to get it out here. It's been way too long. But yeah, man, the Mini Maxx. Irregardless, you know, your feelings for the car, you know, whatever. Just, man, try to be positive about stuff, man. You know, it's not everybody makes the perfect RC car. I mean, it's, and you know, just because I have it, this doesn't mean like I agree with the pricing and all that. I'm a channel. I do content. People want to see new stuff, so I buy it to bring you the stuff. So stop giving me a hard time about blah blah this, that, and the next thing. All right. Woo, the Mini Maxx. It does pretty good. Like I said, you know, I think stock 2S would absolutely be fantastic out here. I think it would do great. But I mean, it is a cool RC. It's a center diff must. It should have came that way. I agree. You know. But anyhow, this is what we got. I like it. I like it. Now, we got it fixed up. But pretty cool. I mean, even stock 2S it was pretty fun. Pretty fun. But we're here about the track. I think it did good for what it is for a little monster truck. I think it did pretty good. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching the old Mini run around the track. Appreciate the support. Links down below. You buy some merch, help out the channel. If you shop Amazon, just set my home page as your start page, and no matter what you get, I get commission. Also, if you want to buy one of these through AMAIN, or you buy anything through Horizon, I have affiliate links, and it helps me buy these things so you guys can complain I spent money on it. All right, everyone. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.